panelist performs the secret slime action, which we all love so much, they'll get slimed. Dalton is taking home a prize. So panel, if you hear this sound,
I'll be so sad.
Jenny, you know what? That's a great blue jumpsuit you have on. You got going there. Very nice. Yes, I love it. Irene, did you inflate? Irene, did you inflate?
No.
Giant, what's above you? Annie, what's that right next to you holding on to? He's so cute, isn't he?
It's my little teddy bear.
Pick it up, let me see it.
You want to see my teddy bear? Here, I want it, come on!
What's better, seeing Danny Slime or winning a prize? Seeing Danny Slime. Seeing Danny Slime, of course. We want to see it again. Oh. Judges, no. Or that.
Does it have to do with a beanbag?
So funny. Do you get dizzy at all doing it? No.
Danny.
Does this thing cause nausea?
No.
It's Danny. Here comes the next clue. Up above.
Ring?
Right.
No ring? No onion? No onion ring. Nope.
What are the words in the answer? Invented no blank onion slicer. RJ, yes or no question? Nothing to do with animals, and Kevin should have gotten slimed too. I don't know why, but you still have a little slime on your arm.
Does it have to do with the letter B? Does it have anything to do with dogs?
No. Do your friends think it's cool?
Does it have to do with roving?
Well, I'm guessing it involves your leg.
No. You guys can take your goggles off. But if you want to keep them on, go ahead. Slime always makes me... Ready? Go.
Animal, fly while not speaking.
No, Amanda.
Cats.
1 minute on the clock. Ready, go.
You're ready.
Ready.
Did
go.
you watch these dogs?
It's very slow coming out.
White tiger cubs.
Do you eat deer meat?
Do you drink the milk?
Does it have anything to do with a farm animal?
Farm animal? Yes. Nice.
Are you the only person that can do this?
No.
Amanda. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Woo. Yeah, Christy.
Does your dog reach?
We want to see it.
Person, animal,
No.
donkey.
Sorry, Danny. Sherman.
Is the
Nice. Yes, we love that. Doesn't taste too bad. Doesn't taste too bad, right, Sherman? All right.
Oh boy.
Sherman, the secret slime action
Okay.
was moving on up, and yeah, we all know that. Let's check it out again on replay. Courtesy Slime Cam.
Not to get Wheezy to clean that outfit there.
I'll send it to my
It was a
queen.
beautiful moment. Sherman getting slime. Moving on up. Can I hear Wheezy again?
Wheezy!
Do you go trick-or-treating with your...
Ready? Go.
Does it have anything to do with a headdress?
Blank ducks to blank blank races. Mark. Hey, Mark, what's that on Christy's on her shoulder? Rub that off. Just get that off from Christy's shoulder.
Don't do it.
Yes, just rub it off. Sure.
Does your dog like it?
Yes.
What's the secret slime action?
Does it have to do with Yeah, does it involve swimming? White stuff.
No. Irene, yes or no question?
Do they have feathers?
Yes.
Yes.
Can they speak?
No.
No.
Champion?
Yes.
Cousin Skeeter, go ahead.
Cousin Skeeter. Danny.
Does what you do allow you to get jiggy with it?
The youngest age.
Does it have to do with a horse or of some sort? What was that? I don't know. Pass.
Lori Beth. Danny, you really can't argue with the slime because you never know when it'll come back and hit you again. Lori Beth, we're going to start with you. 41.
Did you win a contest?
No.
Dad.
Is it a form of competition?
Did you practice long enough?
Do crabs as
Do you use it in salads?
Yes.
Final guess, Mom. Big, big T. Final guess.
Dress.
Crab as
You don't. Sorry, you don't get a second chance. I'm sorry.
You hang flowers from hair with headpiece?
No.
Lori Beth.
You use pretty rubber bands?
Danny, how you doing?
I'm doing fine, thanks. Dancer?
Nope. Chris.
Is it a champion of some kind of a sport?
Pass.
Curtis.
Does it have anything to do with like being a pilot?
One of those answer head. Trains blank, two pilot floating blank. Amanda.
Have you trained your dog? Have you trained your dog to smell the Secretary of the Treasury?
Do you paint their toenails?
Here comes your next clue, you guys. Just from the parachute. Go ahead and grab those.
No.
Danny.
Isn't the hidden talent, is it?
No, huh? Okay, we have the goggles on. How's that shaving cream feeling? Is it hardening up, crisping up?
That's fine. I like it.
It's actually probably helping you think. Aren't their reactions going well? They're getting those hands.
Does this involve greenery?
It's yellow slime today. Okay. Danny, did someone tell you, did we get introduced? Did you know who I am, my name?
Summer.
Not embarrassing, not an invention, and uses food.
Does it involve you running?
No.
Lori Beth.
Does it involve jumping?
an orange?
No. Mark.
Did you?
It doesn't involve milk, but you were on the right track. What do you do?
Do you like eating? Do you put do you tie money on the tails of like a horse and braid it real pretty?
Oh, then I think I know what it is.
Make me giggle. 1 minute on the clock. Ready? Go. Oh God, slime. Except for Perslesa. Now she's sitting back. Right back. Seemed a little hot over there. We thought we'd cool you off. Danny,
Does it have to do with rain?
Yes.
Yes, let's hear some more of that. Mike.
Do you sing Pop Goes the Weasel?